Hello, and welcome to the Funeral Programs site. In this video, we will be featuring our Try Before You Buy funeral programs created with our easy online editor. Our online funeral program templates enable you to try out our editor using an internet connection and the browser of your choice. It's easy to learn and no technical skills are required. You can try out the sample using the exact template design you choose so you know exactly how it works before you purchase. All of our DIY templates within our online editor collection offers a Try Before You Buy link, which takes you directly to our online editor. Here you can change text, font styles, insert a photo, and have full editing capabilities all from the comfort of your own computer. The template offers a demo mode with watermark during the trial period, but it is not visible after purchase. Try it for as long as you like, but keep in mind changes can only be saved in the purchased version. Because it is a free option, trying before you buy is always advantageous and cost-effective. Start yours today, only available at thefuneralprogramsite.com.